Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off Internet Explorer on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu, type in Windows Features. Best result should come back with Turn Windows Features on or off. Go ahead and open that up. Versus Internet Explorer 11. Go ahead and uncheck that box. Go ahead and select yes, and then select OK. Give it a moment here. Please note if there's any dependencies that Internet Explorer is relying on, they might not work properly, so you might have to turn it back on. But for most of you guys, it shouldn't be an issue. Go ahead and select Restart Now. And there we go, guys. If we wanted to go ahead and try and open up Internet Explorer here, so we tried searching for it, you notice you don't see it anymore. So pretty straightforward process. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.